Welcome to Logos for Beginners, the first part of the best-selling English course on Udemy. Logos is a very intensive spoken English course in the form of a cartoon, designed for people who are tired of learning the language from those boring textbooks and listening to nerdy teachers. It was created for people who want to finally learn to think in English and to speak it fluently, just like their native language. You think it's impossible? We'll prove you wrong. This course begins with the most basic things you need to start speaking, and it gradually goes into the intermediate level towards the end of the course. And the best part is, you start speaking instantly, right from the first lesson. Isn't that cool? And make no mistake here, this is not your supplementary short course. This is a full-blown course that guides you from the very basics of the English language to the intermediate level, step by step. 100% of the lesson is speaking in a form of a dialogue. You listen, answer and ask questions, and immediately see if you've made a mistake. And if you did, nothing to worry about, because you will repeat every grammar construction so many times later on that they will all be recorded directly in your brain without drowning you in the grammar rules. Where it's necessary, you'll be given very clear and simple explanations of essential grammar. And at the end of each chapter, you will take a milestone test to check your progress. You will learn over 1,000 of the most important English words and phrases. And by learning, I don't mean memorizing. I mean learning in such a way that you can use them effortlessly in your speech without thinking. Each lesson you'll be hearing and saying over 1,200 words. That amount of language practice is enough to make you a fluent speaker in no time. And just imagine how many more job opportunities you will have with fluent English like this. And this course is a must-have component for you if you're planning to take IELTS or TOEFL tests in the future. So, if you want to stop speaking English like a potato when traveling, studying, or when talking to your business partners, this is the right course for you. Buy it now for this special promo price before it goes all the way up. And with the 30-day return policy, this is a safe bet. Click that buy button right now and learn to speak English once and for all. Do you work here? Yes, I work here. Do you hang out here? No, I don't hang out here. What do you do here? I work here. Do you have any clients here now? No, I don't have any clients here now. Do you have a lot of clients lately? No, I don't have a lot of clients lately. Does it mean the business is going fine? No, it doesn't mean the business is going fine. Does it mean the business is going badly? Yes, it means the business is going badly. What does it mean if you don't have a lot of clients? If I don't have a lot of clients, it means the business is going badly. Repeat my question, please. What does it mean if you don't have a lot of clients? Do you have a lot of time to rest when you don't have many clients? Yes, I have a lot of time to rest when I don't have many clients. Do people come to your bar when they run out of bread? No, people don't come to my bar when they run out of bread. Do people come to your bar when they want to have a beer? Yes, people come to my bar when they want to have a beer. When do people come to your bar? People come to my bar when they want to have a beer. Having very few clients is bad for you. You can't stay in business for long if you don't have enough clients. Is having a few clients good for your business? No, having a few clients isn't good for my business. Is having a few clients bad for your business? Yes, having a few clients is bad for my business. How is it to have a few clients? It's bad for my business to have a few clients. Can you stay in business for long if you don't have any clients? No, I can't stay in business for long if I don't have any clients. You want to stay in business? You need some clients to bring some cash. Otherwise, you go out of business. Do you have to go out of business if you don't have enough clients? Yes, I have to go out of business if I don't have enough clients. What do you have to do if you don't have enough clients? I have to go out of business if I don't have enough clients. Does your car have a trunk? Yes, my car has a trunk. Do you need a trunk in a car? Yes, I need a trunk in a car. How many trunks does your car have? My car has one trunk. Repeat my question, please. How many trunks does your car have? Do you keep anything in your trunk? Yes, I keep something in my trunk. Do you sleep in the trunk No, I don't sleep in the trunk. Is there a room for spare tire in your trunk? No, there isn't room for a spare tire in my trunk. Does it mean your trunk is too small or big enough for a spare tire? It means my trunk is too small for a spare tire. What does it mean if there is no room for a spare tire in your trunk? If there is no room for a spare tire in my trunk, it means my trunk is too small. Do you sometimes get a flat tire? Yes. I sometimes get a flat tire. Is it pleasant to get a flat tire? No, it's not pleasant to get a flat tire. Is it unpleasant to get a flat tire? Yes, it's unpleasant to get a flat tire. How is it to get a flat tire? It's unpleasant to get a flat tire. Do you know how to change a flat tire? Yes, I know how to change a flat tire. Do you have to call for a tow truck if you get a flat tire and don't know how to change it? Yes, I have to call for a tow truck if I get a flat tire and don't know how to change it. Who do you have to call for if you get a flat tire and don't know how to change it? I have to call for a tow truck if I get a flat tire and don't know how to change it. Repeat my question, please.